Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you subscribe, you like this video, and also leave a comment in the comment section down below. Welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. So guys, someone on TikTok by the name of Beyond Lisebo is alleging that Mihlali Ndamase is pregnant. So I will include this video, so that you guys can judge for yourself. I will include the video that I saw on TikTok so that you guys can also judge for yourself, and me personally, my judgment, I really don't think Ukell is pregnant, but I will include the video so that you guys can see for yourself. So girl is pointing at things like the stomach, and also she is also like wondering, Guti, why is she wearing baggy clothes all of a sudden, and guys, those are not things that you can be suspecting that someone is pregnant because they are wearing baggy clothes. Like, guys, everyone is wearing baggy clothes these days. Even people who are slender, like abo slender and Tamboyama catalog, they are wearing baggy clothes, people these days, And also I feel like people just wear baggy clothes to feel comfortable, because like, as women, most of the times it's those tight dresses and don't. So if maybe you are running errands or just lazing around the house, people do wear baggy clothes, And also Ukell is pointing at, why am I saying Ukell? Because I'm not sure if it's a woman or it's a man, but the name TikTok, it's Beyond Lisebo. Now this person is also pointing at things like the stomach, is saying, the stomach is giving, bones in the stomach, and guys, I really don't think so. Like, to me, that's a normal stomach, because I know Booty, mine is way more suspicious than that stomach. So I'm so surprised people think the stomach is pregnant. So what about mine again? If people think that stomach is pregnant, truth, mine is about to give birth. But guys, I really don't think Ukell is pregnant. Maybe she has gained some weight here and there, and also some people, and I'm also those people, could, like, when you are going through some things, because she has been going through some things for the past few days. People tend to, like, eat a lot when they are going through some things, when you are crying there, So I really don't think Ukell is pregnant. That stomach looks normal to me, and also wearing baggy clothes is also normal to me. But that person is alleging Ukell something meaty in the stomach. But I don't know, guys. Let me just play the video for you so that you guys can decide for yourself. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Do you guys think Mihlali Ndamase is really pregnant? Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next one.